If you're a grower, the goal is always the same, isn't it? It's not just about getting things to grow, but to grow strong. You want resilient crops that deliver an absolutely fantastic harvest. Well, today we're diving into a fertilizer that's designed to do just that, by working with the plant from the inside out.
Think about it. From the second a seed sprouts, it is up against a whole world of challenges. You've got pests, crazy weather, tricky soil conditions. The list just goes on and on. So what if you could give your crops a complete support system right from the very beginning?
And that's where this new functional fertilizer comes into play. Now, it's called functional for a reason. This isn't just some generic nutrient dump. No way. Its formula is actually based on the specific ways that crops grow, so it delivers exactly what the plant needs when it needs it. It's all about maximum efficiency.
All right, so let's get into how this smarter approach actually works. It all starts with building a really strong foundation. And I mean that literally, from the ground up.
And this right here shows you exactly where that foundation is built. We are talking about the root system. This fertilizer is engineered to get roots going quickly, helping seedlings grow these thick, strong roots with tons of root hairs. This is basically the engine for the entire plant.
So, what's the big payoff from building that foundation? Well, a healthy, massive root system isn't just about sucking up water and nutrients. It's the plant's first, and honestly, its most critical line of defense against, well, pretty much everything. Just look at this. On the left, you see that robust foundation we're talking about. And because of that incredible strength below the surface, the plant is so much better equipped to fight off the kinds of diseases and stress that you see causing problems on the right. A strong start really does prevent a difficult finish.
So the bottom line is, this all translates directly into built-in resilience. We're talking about real, noticeable improvements in how well your plants can handle the cold, get through a drought, and fight off common diseases. It can even help cut down the damage from flooding. The plant is just, well, it's healthier and a whole lot tougher.
Now, a strong plant is only half the equation, right? It also needs the perfect environment to really thrive. And that means we need to talk about the soil.
The quality of your harvest is directly 100% tied to the health of your soil. And one of the biggest factors here is pH. See, if the soil is too acidic or too alkaline, all those essential nutrients can get chemically locked up. It doesn't matter how much fertilizer you use, the plant just can't get to them.
And this is a total game changer. This formula actually helps adjust the soil's pH value. That makes it great for a huge range of conditions, whether you're dealing with acidic soil or alkaline soil. It helps create that perfect environment for the roots to soak up all the good stuff. So, when you combine a strong, tough plant with perfectly optimized soil, the payoff is right here. It all ends with a high-quality, high-yield harvest. You can draw a straight line from healthy roots and balanced soil to vibrant, top-notch produce like this. The results really do speak for themselves. The formula boosts photosynthesis, it improves the plant's overall nutritional balance, and for fruits and veggies, that means more sugar, so better taste, and better, more even color. But the end game is always the same, high quality and high yield.
And here's another huge benefit. It significantly improves how the plant uses nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The big three nutrients, NPK. By making the plant way more efficient at using what's available, you can actually cut back on the amount of other chemical fertilizers you need. It just makes the whole system work better.
Okay, so this all sounds great, but how do you actually put it to work? Well, the good news is it's incredibly straightforward. Let's walk through the simple steps to success.
So you've got two main ways to apply it. First up is a foliar spray. That's just spraying it right onto the leaves. You just dilute it with water, about 800 to 1,000 times, and give the plants a spray every 8 to 15 days. The other method is for drip irrigation systems. For that, you'll use about 2 to 3 liters per mu, and a mu is just a unit of area, roughly 667 square meters. And hey, for the absolute best results, the recommendation is to actually use both methods together.
So there you have it. From stronger roots and tougher plants to healthier soil and a better harvest, it's a complete approach. The only question left is, are you ready to see what your harvest can truly become?